Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Irene, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing with you guys of this Prada bag that's behind me. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, then let's get straight into this video. So I just came back from shopping and I needed to do a quick sit down unboxing video, otherwise I will not get to it and then it won't be a true unboxing. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Obviously I went to Prada today because I was looking for a specific bag for my upcoming travels. I'm bad. I always do a lot of shopping for a trip, and I don't know, let me know if you guys do the same thing down in the comment section down below, because I tend to do a lot of shopping prior or leading up to a trip because I get so excited and I want to have everything that I need. But anyways, I wanted a bag to carry that is very carefree for my upcoming travels in the summer. So I got this bag. I went into store knowing exactly what I wanted, so it was a very quick visit to the shop. But yeah, let's just quickly get into this unboxing here. I'm gonna undo the ribbon, and then it's got a sticker here that's keeping bag closed. And then right inside, oh, my SA included a book, the Prada Milano hats, and I guess it is just a catalog of all of their hats, which is honestly so random, but it's a very good quality book. If it wasn't this bright green color, I think it would be a really nice coffee table book, but I mean, you could still use it for that. Very good quality book. I'm assuming that those are very expensive, but I'm going to, well, to produce, but I'm going to get into this here. So this is the box, and I'm going to take off the ribbon. I tend to not undo the ribbon because just I like how they do the ribbon up. I will never be able to replicate it, so I always just like peel it off and slide it off this way. But the box is here. This is my third ever purchase from Prada. I have a key holder. I think that was my first ever purchase from Prada, and I still have it. I don't use it as much nowadays, but it is beautiful. It still holds up really well. It's like it's new. And the second thing I purchased from Prada, I actually sold already. It's a bag. So this will be my third item from Prada. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. I have the Prada tissue paper. And oh, interesting. Okay. So I guess it's revealed right here. It is the Prada 2005 re-edition. I hope that they have my dust bag here because it's not wrapped in a dust bag. Anyways, so here it is. I'm going just to undo all of this packaging and then I will go over everything with you guys. Okay, so I have everything unwrapped. I'm just gonna attach the strap to the other end. And voila, there is the bag. It is still stuffed. I have to empty it. And like I said, I sure hope that they have my dust bag in there. I think that it's in there. I think I see a little bit. So it just opens up. I'm sure you guys have seen this bag a bajillion times everywhere. Oh, there's my dust bag. And I've been late to the game for a lot of things, but it's because I tend to be hesitant with these sort of things. These sort of really like trendy bags, because I don't know if they're trendy and they're gonna stay or not. So I hold off until I'm a little bit more certain of it. But right now, I wanted this bag, so I went and got it. I started thinking about it this weekend and I just kind of went and saw it in store today. I'm taking out the stuffing paper. So here it is. Oh, and I think inside here is the chain. So oh, that's so cute. It comes its own little dust bag. Okay. Okay, so I've got the chain here. I'll just take it out. Beautiful, shiny silver hardware, which I wear a lot of gold jewelry, but my gold jewelry tends to be really dainty and really thin, so it's not super in-your-face gold, and then that way it won't be too like clashing with the silver, although I'm also not against mixing metals. But yeah, it's got a beautiful silver chain that will go across, as I'm sure you already know. But I'm just gonna attach it onto the bag. This is one of my favorite parts of this bag, as I'm sure it is for a lot of people, because it just makes it so versatile. And I love that extra chain on it. Makes it look so, I don't know, it's very pretty. Okay, so once I have everything, let me just zip it all up. Okay, here it is. We've got the Prada nylon. This is the nylon black re-edition 2005 with the strap and the pouch. And it is, oh, I think there's stuffing in here as well. There are so many ways to wear this bag that I thought it is perfect, and it's just holds so much for the size of it. It is considered more of a small bag, and I just love how effortless it is. It's just so pretty. I am so happy. It's very simple. It's very kind of like, it's obviously a very 90s style inspired bag. It is a re-edition, so they brought it back from 2005, obviously. Inside, oh, there is, I think it's authenticity card and care booklet. Inside it is just one big pocket and nothing else, and it's got Prada right here, as you can see, and it's just got like a Prada linen, not linen, it's, what is it? Some sort of material lining. I don't know what it is inside. Anyways, a textile lining of some sort. And obviously it has the silver hardware. I love this little, like, what is this called? Oh my God, I'm at a loss for words today. This almost like keychain, like attachment thing. What do you call this again? I can't think of the word for it right now. But I love how it says Prada re-edition 2005, and then it's got that key hook, I think, underneath it. So, oh, let me try to push it up. Nothing wants to cooperate today, and I'm like feeling so warm because I ran home to try to do this. Okay, so it's just this key ring that's hidden underneath this. Again, don't know what it's called. But yeah, there is my bag. I have, like I said, I wanted this because I wanted a really carefree bag for my upcoming travels, and I thought this would be perfect. It doesn't have loud monogram all over like a lot of my Louis Vuitton pieces do, which I am not looking for when I'm traveling. I just wanted to be a little bit more discreet, but still it's like a luxury bag. It's still beautiful, but the fact that it's nylon makes it very lightweight, very carefree, and I can just shove it into my luggage and not worry about, you know, compressing it or squeezing it and deforming it like my other leather bags that I have in my collection. Plus the fact that this is so versatile. Like, this is almost like 2-3 bags in one, because obviously you can carry it like this, and this could be an evening bag for dinner time, or you can wear it around sightseeing and carry your stuff and do this, and it's just so versatile. I thought it's perfect for my travels. Obviously this extra added pouch here is so stinking cute, and oh my gosh, you guys, this was one of the complaints that people had when I was researching this bag last night, that this will flip backwards when they're wearing it, but I obviously got the newer version. I didn't think that they had this. It's attached and it's fixed, so it won't swing back and forth and it won't flip backwards, if you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Okay, so this, the one that I tried on in store, so this bag here, I asked for a new one from the back, so they brought this one out for me. That's why it was all packaged up and still with all the straps and everything. But the version that I had tried on in store just earlier today, it didn't have, this pouch didn't have this extra flap right here and that extra button, snap button. This one does, and I didn't realize that. So on this strap here, there's this extra leather tab right here that's sewn on. So I guess how they solved that problem of this bag, so before what used to happen was they would just have this hook, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know, and this bag would just dangle free like that, and a lot of times it would swing like this and it would hang like this on people when they're wearing it, which drives a lot of people crazy apparently, and I can see why, because it sticks out. Like, it's so awkward, right? But I got the new version, so they've addressed this problem by adding a tab, a snap button, and this right here, you just loop this tab through. Can you guys see that? And then you snap it close, and it'll stay in place. It won't move anywhere on you. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. I didn't, like I said, she told me that, no, they don't have tabs. We don't have any tabs, which I'm so confused about. Maybe she wasn't aware, but clearly they fixed the problem. Thank you, Prada. I am so excited right now to find that out. But yeah, here's my new bag, and I will obviously be doing a, like, what fits in my bag review type of thing. But first impressions so far, this bag holds a lot. Like, she demoed it in store. You can fit a full-size wallet in here, you can fit your phone, you can fit, and there's still tons of room for other things inside. Definitely fits more than my Chanel mini rectangle, which is similar size but obviously fits way less. And I'm so excited. I can't. I think that I will get so much use out of this, and the fact that it's black. I was really debating between the black and the desert nude, but I looked at it in person, and quite frankly, the desert nude just doesn't look as nice as the black in the nylon. They didn't have any of the leather versions, the Saffiano leather versions in store at my location today, but I don't think I would have gotten the leather anyways, because the whole point of this bag is to make it very carefree and lightweight and easy to pack away for travel, which is what the nylon is for. So yeah, there's really no regrets. If I really was going to go for the desert nude or like a nudie color, I would have definitely reached for the leather version, the Saffiano leather version in the nude. But in the black, I think it looks really good in the nylon, and I think it'll be very carefree for me to use. I'm just really excited about this. First impressions is that it's going to be well worth the money. I think it's going to be really good for travels. The fact that I can just squeeze it and fold it flat, like it doesn't ruin the bag or the integrity of the bag, is just perfect. It's going to be so good. I think I can easily, because it's so lightweight, I can easily pack it into like a bigger, like let's say my Longchamp Le Pliage, and put this in there along with a few of my other travel essentials, and that way it's with me at all times. And then yeah, it's nice and lightweight, and I can still have all my bags with me. I'm super excited right now. Can you guys tell? I've said that about a million times now. But yeah, here is my bag. I will be doing a kind of like pack with me video to show you guys what I'm going to be packing with me on my trip, so you'll be seeing this again, I'm sure. But this is all for my video today. It is very quick. I am just here to make sure that you guys see the real unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have this bag, let me know what you think about it down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!